Hello there, Tanmay here, and today's topic is that what different type of content you can put on YouTube. So people are just posting one type of content, only one type of content on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you other types of content, not content ideas, the types of the content. So let's get started. I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business on your side. Now raise the money, hire experts, and grow. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content. So here we are, that I'm telling people that use YouTube wisely, the next level. So what you can do and what else content you can post on YouTube. So that's what we're gonna discuss today. So first thing is podcast. So whatever videos you are posting on YouTube, they're not enough. Start something new. So what you can do, you can add podcast. So your podcast can be audio format totally and just a video screen there, and you record and just add that audio to that video or anything or you can just post directly a video podcast. So how you gonna post the video podcast? That ask someone from the field to join your podcast or related to your field. So this is how you will expand your YouTube channel by adding the podcast. So you will have lots of different type of ideas, content ideas in that podcast as well. So it just take a topic and start speaking. Podcasts are so easy, if you watch one or two podcasts, you will identify and understand that what is podcaster actually. Okay, so next thing is that interview. So you'll say, hey, I'm running this XYZ business. Is interview thing or taking an interview is good for my business? Of course it's good. So it will as I told you, that it will help you to expand your channel. So what type of interview? Someone from your field or related to your field. So you will discuss and how to take an interview. That create 10 questions. Just you don't need to be a perfect interviewer. Create 10 questions, ask questions, and he will answer that questions. So nobody is perfect. Don't try to be a perfect interview thing. Okay. So just you have to expand your YouTube channel, and you're adding new shows. And this is how biggies grow their channel. They have podcast. If you observe clearly, biggies have podcast, they have interviews, they have shows, they have motivations, there are a lot of things. So that's why I'm telling you to start different type of content. Okay, like podcast, interviews. So how you gonna take the interview? Watch related interviews. This will also help you to just identify how to take an interview. It's a simple one-to-one conversation. Okay, so where you can take an interview on visually or just physically or online, Zoom meeting, Google Meet, or just ask guest to your office and just take interview. How many? It's up to you. Frequency is up to you. You want to take one a week or monthly one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start this interview thing. I'm gonna ask new people. Weekly one, if people manage to join, then it's good. Weekly or monthly. So this is how you can add this thing as well. So you can actually start your own show. If you see biggies, they have their own show, like office hours, business hours, like this. So it will also help you very fast to grow your YouTube channel. And a show like Ask Me actually needs subscribers, so your subscribers will ask your questions. So you can, if you have 1,000 quality subscribers, you can start this show immediately as well. Plus special guests from the field. Let's say weekly you are calling someone and this is your show. Name anything. You can just watch few shows on YouTube or TV, and you can replicate that shows from TV or other YouTube channel and start your own show. Just name your show whatever you want to name and start accordingly. Then question and answer session every week or every month, whatever you want to do. And this is how your YouTube channel will grow, because you have different type of content. So podcast, interviews, shows, motivation. Motivation is whatever you are feeling, whatever you are thinking about, how you are doing this. Just inspire people. Make a 5-minute, 10-minute long inspiring videos. So you can add a motivation in the podcast as well. And this is how you will grow your YouTube channel, by adding this different type of content. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. And thank you for watching, and I will be coming with more awesome content. So just see you in the next video.